Hey guys, good day. It's your girl Joy Itohan and welcome to the channel. If you're new, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you're not new, you're a returning subscriber. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for stopping again. So guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me. I'll be doing my makeup and also dressing up, and most importantly showing you guys the most beautiful and luxurious handbag ever. And this video is sponsored by Teddy Blake. Thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sponsoring this video. I am so happy and I really appreciate it. And also guys, in the course of this video I'm going to be sharing you guys links and also discount code you can use to shop for your own Teddy Blake handbag on their website. Okay, I'm just going to be doing my makeup how I would normally like to do my makeup. And yeah, and before that I'm going to start with my brows. I will want to do my brows off camera because I really don't have strength. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I am all done with my brows and I just want to go forward with the makeup. So one thing I like to do whenever I want to do my makeup, or before I even put a foundation, is to first powder my face. So I'm just going to be using this NYX powder or NYX powder. So I just like to just dab that all over my skin because I have oily skin. I don't use primer. This is what I use. And honestly, I really don't know about primer. I don't know if it works. I think I've tried using a primer once before and honestly I didn't see any difference. So yeah. So for the foundation, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Super Stay foundation. This is the shade 70 Cacao or Cacao, I'm not so sure. So, and I also have my damp beauty blender. I have a damp beauty blender here. And I don't like to put so much foundation on my forehead, so I literally use like a little dab. I've been breaking out lately and I'm just trying to cover all those scars I have on my face. As you can see, I've been breaking out lately. Yeah, story for another day. Guys, as you can see, I have applied the foundation on my skin and you can see like it looks very natural. That's one thing I love about this foundation. So I like to use this sleek concealer. This is what I have at the moment. So now I'm just going to apply that here. Blend. I'm just going to use the same beauty blender I used for my foundation, and yeah, I'm just going to blend my concealer with that.
See how effortless and how easily it blends out.
I'm done blending all my makeup. I'm just going to be using the rest of the concealer I have on the beauty blender to dab on my forehead. Yeah, so I'm not really a fan of applying so much product on my forehead. I just use the remaining one I have left. Guys, time for setting powder. I'm going to be using this sleek setting powder. This is what I have and this is what I've been using. So what I like doing when it comes to setting my skin, I first take, the setting powder and I just dab the excess on my skin. So this is what I do, then press the remaining.
I also do it for my eyelids.
Do the same thing over here. So guys, we're done with the setting powder, and now I'm just going to be using my eyeshadow on my eyelids, and I'm going to be using this Revolution eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it has some pink shades and some browns. So yeah, I love this eyeshadow so much, and it has an orange, so I always use that for my blush. So yeah, I'm going to be using this brown shade over here for my eyeshadow. But before then, I'm just going to dust off the excess powder that might be on my eyelid. Guys, I know this might not be like, you know, the most professional way to do makeup, but this is how I do my own makeup, and I'm fine with it, okay? I am fine with it. So guys, I am done applying this eyeshadow on my crease. I'm going to be taking something a bit shiny, maybe this shade. It's just this pretty rose gold shade, so I'm just going to be using this shade on this center of my eyelids, okay? Just this very pretty rose gold shade. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is just to contour my face. I like to use a powder contour, so I'm going to be using this sleek contour palette. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to be using this dark shade to just contour my face, okay? And guys, one thing about me, I'm not the most adventurous person. Once I find something that works for me, I stick with it. Like, I stick with it. I'm not really a fan of surprises. I might buy that product and it might not work for me, and I don't want to waste my money, okay? So I'm just going to be using the rest of that on my forehead. So now the next thing I'm just going to be doing is just to clean up the contour lines on my face, and I will be using setting powder for that. I'm going to dust that excess powder away, even though it doesn't look like I have excess, but I just like to dust all that away. I'll dust this one later. I'm going to be using this orange shade over here to just apply my brush on my blush and just dipping it in here and applying that on my cheek. I like to apply a lot, guys. Like, I'm not scared of blush. I'm not scared of it at all. I like to apply a whole lot of blush, and like, I want it to show, because it just gives this color on my face that I really like. Yeah, so we are done with blush. I also like to apply it on my nose, not so much though. I'll just use the excess I have on the brush. So the next thing we're going to be doing, guys, I just want to line my waterline, and I'm going to be using this Revolution pencil liner. And I also have my mascara, guys. I'm going to be using this Maybelline mascara on my lashes. I'm not really a fan of eyelashes. I have tried to like eyelashes, guys, but I would say because of how small, if you guys can see, I naturally have like small eyes, and when I just use lash, they just obstruct my view. I'm not a kid anymore. I like what I like and I dislike what I dislike. Now I'm just going to be lining my lips with a lip pencil, guys. And for the lip product, I like to use this NYX soft matte lip cream. I just love the color so much. It's this nudish dark pink, which I love. Yeah, and I just like to finish it up with a lip gloss, but before that I'm just going to dust off this powder I have here. So guys, it seems like we are done with this makeup. Like, this is a very soft makeup I like to use. I'm still going to use my lip gloss, but I just want to just spray my face up before I do that. So I have to I like using this e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Spray. It's a very dewy setting spray. I'm not really a fan of matte setting spray, so yeah, I just love my makeup looking all dewy, so I like to use this. So I'm just gonna apply this. So guys, we are done with the makeup. As you can see with my face, very soft, very colorful. And now we're going to be bringing the star of today's video, which is this handbag from Teddy Blake, guys. If you don't know Teddy Blake is a brand that produces the most luxurious handbags out there at a very affordable price. That's one thing I love about them. Their handbags are produced in Italy. They have so many collections, and they're also produced in the same factories where so many other luxurious handbags are also produced. And if you know luxurious handbags, you would know that their hub is in Europe. Now let's just open this handbag and see what it looks like in the inside. So opening this, as you can see, it says discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. So opening this handbag here, it says Teddy Blake New York designer handbag made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter of your fashion choice. Oh my god, like that is so cute. So what I love about this brand also is that you get luxurious leather bags at a fraction of the price. And also I'm going to be sharing with you some discount code that you can also use to, you know, get some money off. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. It has a paper bag just to protect, and also this bubble wrap. And this is the handbag, guys. Oh my god. So guys, this is the handbag here. It's in a dust bag, and guys, tell me this wasn't packed with so much care and love. Like, look at how carefully packed this was. Like, I am just so in love. And I love the fact that even though you're done wearing your bag, you can always store it in this bag. It's called a dust bag, and I don't know if you guys can quickly guess the color I got. So let me just show you the handbag we have here. I am super in love. Like, look at how beautiful and luxurious this handbag looks. Like, this bag is just so beautiful. This bag is called the Ava Croc handbag. As you can see, it has this crocodile detail and also some gold details there. This color is called light beige. Yeah, that's the name of the color, and I just love this bag so much. This bag cannot fit your laptop, or like if you want the one that can fit your laptop, it's like 15-inch or 14-inch. Yeah, so this is just 11 inches. It's still a very beautiful medium size handbag, and I love it so much. I don't have a lot of handbags, but when I got called to, you know, pick one, I wanted to just pick like a neutral color handbag that can fit different colors of clothes and I want to pair this with. So yes guys, I love this handbag so much. Like, there is just a smell that comes with this handbag, guys. It smells like quality leather. Like, you know, when you just buy your handbag, there's this smell that comes with the handbag, but this is different. Like, this has this smell, and I know it's the smell of quality and originality. Okay. So to open this handbag, it has, you know, this thing here. So I think you just open this like this and open this like this, and the handbag will be open. It also has this, you know, this thing here, and this is the inside of the handbag, guys. This is the inside of the handbag. It also came with a strap. Guys, it has about 2 inner pockets in here. Like, it has this and it has another one down there, and this is the inside of the bag. Opening the strap, this is what the strap looks like, and it also came with this padlock detail thing. So guys, I just tied this padlock detail on the handle of the bag. This is the other side, and this is the padlock detail here. Like, this is so freaking cute. So guys, Teddy Blake is currently having a sale and all bags are going 60% off. If you use my link down below, I have my link from Teddy Blake down below. If you want to buy this bag or any other bag on the Teddy Blake website, they bring out new collections of handbag like every month, so there is so much to choose from, honestly. I also have a coupon code, like a discount code, that will also give you another $30 off if you use that code. I will put that code down in the description box and also on the screen so you guys can see. Okay, so guys, now I'm just going to go dress up and just show you how I styled this bag, and just see you guys later. Okay, so guys, this is the final look of this get ready with me. As you can see, I'm wearing this black mini dress. This black mini dress from Everything £5. Like, I got this dress for £5 only. I love this dress so much, and I'm pairing it with this white sneakers so you guys can see. And also the star of this show is this Teddy Blake handbag, guys. So I put in the strap, and this strap is amazing, guys. Like, look at the gold detail everywhere. One thing I also love about this bag, guys, every detail is customized. Like, just take a look at this this padlock. This padlock says Teddy Blake. Even this place, you see this detail over here, it also says Teddy Blake. Even the strap says Teddy Blake. Like, the bag over here says Teddy Blake. Even the back of this bag also says Teddy Blake. Like, this handbag is just too much. Like, I love this handbag so much. It's also the perfect size. If you don't want to use the strap, you can just do this. You can just hold the bag like this, and look at how pretty this bag is, guys. Like, look at how pretty this bag is. It's not the smallest and it's also not the biggest, but I feel it's just the perfect size of bag. So please use my link and also use my codes to get all those money on. I am so happy I was able to review this bag, and see you guys in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.